Percent is concerned that here real accused is Bharat Reddy is a Congress sitting MLA. Because of his instigation, everything's happened. Janar Reddy, Sri Ramulu, they are doing very peaceful work in the Ballari, and because of instigation to upgrade the influence of the Janar Reddy, the downside, making him making him politically less influence. For that purpose, this incident is created and instigated by the Bharat Reddy Congress MLA, and what has happened in the before the in front of the Janar Reddy house, that is all created by the Bharat Reddy, and because of his instigation, people gathered there, and even gunmen of the MLA, gunmen of his close associate, what firing has happened, it is because of that instigation. Gunman has firing at that time because of the death of the one Rajshekhar, who is a Congress follower. His death occurred because of firing of the gunman of the Bharat Reddy or Satish Reddy. So here the main accused persons are the that is Bharat Reddy and Satish Reddy. So government has immediately filed FIR, and even immediately they have to arrest MLA, Congress MLA Bharat Reddy and Satish Reddy. Instead of that, they are arrested gunmen and other things. It shows that they are almost all they are sidelining the case and making the Janar Reddy and Sri Ramulu as accused in the FIR. It shows that there is no impartial investigation in this happened, and so I insist for the CBI inquiry or insist for the judiciary inquiry by the sitting High Court Honorable Judge. So then only we will get the clear what are the happens, incidents happens, we can clearly get the justice. Instead of that, they are sidelining everything, and they close up the case, and they are protecting the interest of their Congress MLA.
Sir, Nara Bharat Reddy, they have made a